Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you doing, guys?
I'm fine.
I'm doing good.
I'm good, Miss.
I would like to check your presence via chat, so please write down your name on the chat, guys. About the discussion that I have already posted in our Google Classroom, you have already finished all of them, right? The types of poem, yeah. So you are going to present that today. But before that, I need your opinion about poem and poetry.
Kalau pom itu pom itu berbentuk sajak, Miss.
Okay.
Sedangkan poetry atau salah satu komposisi dari poem. Nah, sedangkan poetry itu sendiri adalah hasil dari bagian-bagian poetry tadi. Seperti itu.
I see. Okay. Yes.
Saling berpadu.
I see. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Naura. Poem is the creation, yeah. It's the creation of the words which has rhyme and stuff, yeah. And then poetry is the strategy or knowledge how to make a beautiful poem. So maybe someone can help me to read, guys.
Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I've tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire.
What do you think is the title of this poem?
Fire and ice.
Fire and ice, yeah. And then the world will end in fire. Can you imagine what kind of destruction?
Banyak peperangan.
Banyak peperangan, good. There are a lot of war. And then what else? Yang ada hubungannya sama api apa?
Kebakaran.
Kebakaran, good. What else?
Gunung meletus.
Ya, gunung meletus. Okay. So this poem is made after the World War I, guys. Jadi puisi ini itu dibuat itu setelah Perang Dunia Pertama. Jadi penulisnya Robert Frost ini dia sudah merasakan, from what I have tasted of desire, dia sudah merasakan ketamakan manusia, ya, yang bisa menyebabkan bumi ini hancur dengan api. Nah, kalau let's directly move to the presentation, ya. So now let's start from Farrell's group.
Acrostic poem is a poem where certain letters in each line spell out a word or phrase.
An autobiographical poem is a poem you write about yourself.
Zaman statement that describe a person or an object in a special way.
Poem may be written in prose or in form verse. Both
Of this poem is poem that use a repetition of similar sound.
The definition: free verse poem will have no structure. It is the rhythm of the word.
So from your friends' presentations, guys, do you understand? Poem is the piece of the writing, and then poem is the process or the knowledge how to make a poem, yeah. Jadi describe that the function of the poem is to entertain, yeah, to show your emotion, to show your idea, yeah. Rhyming, yeah, can be rhyming, and then but it can be also in the free form, yeah. The line as a line, and a group of 4 or 5 lines we call it as stanzas. The poem with the first letters of each line by using the first letter of the words. Yeah, the function is to show what you know about the topic. For the autobiographical, the function is to tell a story about someone. It's a poem which the text forms the shape of diamond, yeah. And then the function is to comparing or contrasting two different subjects. Epitaph is a tribute poem for a deceased person. And then a free verse, guys, for a free verse poem, it's free, yeah? So there is no rule, there is no matter. So stick of old poems, yeah. So there are 3 kinds of rhyming poems, yeah. couplets, triplets, and quatrains. For couplets, it only contains of 2 lines only. Piandra.
Three.
Putri, okay. Putri, can you please read the poem, Putri?
My cat ate a mouse and then broke in the house.
Yeah.
What a fine day to go out to play in the month.
I never saw a purple cow. I never hoped to see one. But I can tell you anyhow, I'd rather see than be one.
Let's check whether you have already understand about the types of poem, yeah. Here, you are going to do a quizzes, guys. I will share the link. Thank you, guys. So let's see. So can you see? The first is Surya, the second is
Aduh, dik lagi.
Hiko. And the third is Viva. Okay then, thank you. So is there any question, guys, about the structure, the function, about the poem? Let's go to Padlet, yeah. About the acrostic poem that you have made. Let's check. I will share the link. Yeah, can you please read yours, Ais?
Ais, angelic woman, infantile but adult, suppliant girl, simplistic kid.
Good. Thank you, guys. Difficulties in understanding about the structure, the function, and making the poem, guys. Let's make a conclusion of today's lesson. What?
Jenis-jenis poem.
Okay, types of poem. So let's end today's session. Yeah, about the conclusion that we have learned about the social function, the structure, yeah, of each types of poem, and also we learn how to make poem. Have given to you about poetic devices. Have you all finished that, guys?
Yes, Miss.
Have you put it in our Google Classroom? Okay. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. If there is no question, let's end today's session. So thank you very much. Have a good day, yeah. Take care. Assalamualaikum.
Yes.